Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I'm gonna tell you about how to remove this recovery mode. If you by chance open this recovery mode and you are doing factory reset or something and you have changed your mind and you have to just open your smartphone, then you have to do is, you can see here it is showing reboot now. Friends, you can see there are lots of options. There are reboot system now. If you just do it, it will completely restart your device. And here it is reboot to bootlander. It will reboot your smartphone. And friends, you can see the touch is not working. You can see I'm just tapping here, it is not working. You have to come with up and down by this volume up and down button. You can see how I am doing like this. And power button is for OK. You have to select this first what you want to do, then click on this power button to press OK, and this selected will be set. And here it is enter fast boot. If you want to enter fast boot, just click on this power button. Here it is wipe data and factory reset. After doing it, it will completely erase your all data from your smartphone. You can just view your recovery logs, run graphic test, run locate test, and simply power off your device. So first you have to reboot this device. To exit this recovery mode, just press on this button. Friends, you can see it is now started. And it is open now friends, and recovery mode is exited. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.